Welcome back to the Digital Circular Collaboration tool. In this tutorial, I will show you a few tools and functions that we have created within the Circular Spaces project. First off, head to the Circular Spaces main section. In this section, training materials that we have created within the project are published. The materials are tailored to empower makerspaces, makers, and other enthusiasts with the knowledge about circular principles. Each topic consists of methodological notes which serve as a guide for trainers during the preparation process. Presentation serves as a training material which can be adjusted to target groups' needs. Let's move forward. Go to the subsection Circular Maturity Test. We have prepared tests for 5 different target groups, including makerspaces, makers, SMEs, and startups, as well as suppliers and others who want to assess their knowledge on these topics. Let's take the test for the user group Makerspace. For makerspaces, it is possible to get a circularity label if you are following circular economy principles. The label is given in 3 different levels: basic, intermediate, and advanced. Hey, we believe in the power of learning. Don't worry if the results the first time are not so nice to look at. We also want to remind you that platform admins can check the information about makerspaces in any given time. Okay, we're almost done. Let's see what we got. After finishing, the test results will be given to you. You can take the test without authentication, but we recommend signing in. It will give you the opportunity to see your previous results to compare them and see your progress. The next section we are going to look at is guidelines. For example, makerspaces can get a free guide on how to implement circular economy principles. The guideline consists of 10 steps with checklist added to each. This makes it much easier to make positive change. If there are any questions you have, you can head to the Frequently Asked Questions section. If there are any additional questions that are not included, feel free to contact us. If you want to delve into discussions with other users, go to the Forum section. We have created a topic on circular economy as well. That's it for today. We will keep working on improving the tool and adding new information and functions. Have a great day.